Hello again, everyone. Today's video is going to be on perimeter of a rectangle and a square. So I'm going to go over some examples and some ways that you can find the perimeter and just do some practice with it, okay? So why don't we go ahead and take a look at those now. So before we do that, let's go ahead and take a look at what a perimeter is. So a perimeter is the distance all the way around the outline of a shape. Perimeter is given in units of distance. For example, centimeters or meters. The same as when you measure a straight line. Okay, so I just wanted to give you a little outline of this, and let's go ahead and take a look at some examples now. So for our first example, we've got this ant down here. And on the left side, it says, the ant walks around the perimeter of this shape in a straight line. It's going to start here, which is basically the length, and go up to the width, then back across the length, and back down the width here. So that gives us 5 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 5 centimeters plus 3 centimeters, which is in total, the ant walks 16 centimeters. So for our first example here, I'm going to show you how to calculate the perimeter of each shape and show your work. So as you can see here on the left side, I've got this square where the ant walks around for the perimeter, and this is how we're showing our work. So we're going to do the exact same thing for letter A here. Here's the ant, and he's going to walk around the rectangle to get the perimeter, and this looks like this. So we've got 5 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus 5 centimeters plus 2 centimeters equals 14 centimeters. So that's just one way that you can get the measurement of a perimeter. Now, there's a few other ways to do it, and I'll show you those. So for letter B, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to get the perimeter of this shape here by walking around, which looks like this. 4 centimeters plus 4 centimeters times 2 equals 16 centimeters. So I'm just showing you another way that you can get the perimeter here. For letter C, we're going to do the same thing here. And then I've got 2 times 8 centimeter plus 1 centimeter equals 18 centimeters. Now, I'm going to assume you already have a concept of how to do this type of addition and multiplication. So if you're confused with one of these, I suggest don't do it and do the one that's easiest for you. I'm just showing you some other options you can have to solve this to find the perimeter, okay? For letter D, we're going to do the same thing here, find the perimeter of this shape, and I get 2 times 6 centimeters plus 3 centimeters is 18 centimeters, okay? And for letter D, we're just going to walk around this rectangle here, and then we're going to do it the traditional way, which is just adding 8 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus 8 centimeters plus 2 centimeters, which is 20 centimeters, okay? So I'm just showing you a couple of ways to get the perimeter here to solve, all right? So for the bonus activity, I just want you to tell me, what is the perimeter for the following? So I've got A, B, C, and D here, and I just want you to show me how you're going to get the perimeter for each of these problems here, okay? And you can look at what I just did on the previous video and do any of those concepts. Just show me how you got the perimeter. And then for the second bonus activity here, I basically just want you to draw a shape, a rectangle or a square for each of these examples here, okay? And they can be whatever you like, all right? I'll do letter A here as an example just to show you what you can do. So I drew this rectangle here, and then for this part here for letter A, I just wrote what the perimeter is, which is 12 centimeters, okay? So you can do any other shapes like this that you like here. So you can do that for A, B, C, and D, and you can also do this for E and F as well. Just draw me some squares and rectangles and show me the perimeter, okay? And as always, I will have the answer key and this bonus activity in the description down below. And please take a look at it and try it out and see how you did. So that's today's video on perimeter, and I hope you found it beneficial. And if you have any other ways to find the perimeter, please share them down in the comments below. I would love to see what are some other ways that you can find the perimeter, okay? And that'll be it for today's video. And as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day with me. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video.